Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the auto rotate is turned on. As you guys can see, now this icon, the gray and black one, means that it's turned off. Now the blue and white one means that it's turned on. Let's see which apps support it. So here we're gonna see it in the messages. It does not work. Now the phone app, it does not work. Let's see the Chrome. So Chrome works, and it depends on the app you're using. So Play Store Chrome works just fine. Now the Hola, I guess it is not working. So a lot of those apps are just not working properly, but Google ones do work. And if none of the Google apps work for you, what you guys want to do is go over and restart your phone. So press the power button to restart it. Now tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it is restarting so that we can reset the sensors, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now the phone has restarted, and what are we going to do next is we're going to enter the password. Go to settings, and as a last resort, update our software to fix any sensor issues. We're going to go and scroll all the way down to system. In the system, we tap on system update, and here click on online update. As you guys can see, sometimes it may just bug you out of it, but we're going to click online update, and as you guys can see, I am on the latest version. And that's what you guys need to make sure that you do. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.